The U.S. Army recently marked a groundbreaking achievement as the 173rd Airborne Brigade, known as the Sky Soldiers, executed the first successful aerial interception of a drone using an armed first-person view, FPV, platform. Conducted at Fort Rucker under the guidance of the U.S. Army Combat Capabilities Development Command Armament Center, DEVCOM-AC, and as part of Project Shank, the test signals a major evolution in American drone warfare tactics. In the demonstration, a SkyRaider drone, armed with a Claymore anti-personnel device, destroyed a target UAV mid-flight. This event represents the first documented instance of one armed FPV drone taking down another in U.S. military operations. The timing of the exercise coincided with the U.S. Army Unmanned Aircraft Systems Summit, emphasizing the growing priority of counter-drone strategies in response to global threats. Developed by Ariane Defense USA, the SkyRaider was chosen for its modular design and open architecture, allowing diverse payload configurations. During the test, the drone, piloted in FPV mode, engaged a simulated enemy UAV. After detonation, although the SkyRaider experienced a temporary loss of control and communication from the blast, it rapidly regained stability, proving its potential as a reusable interceptor, a notable advantage over many single-use loitering munitions. The success validates the concept of arming light drones with unconventional payloads, a tactic refined through real-world operations in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. This milestone reflects a broader strategic shift in U.S. military thinking. Lessons learned from Eastern European battlefields have highlighted the effectiveness of FPV drones in both reconnaissance and precision strikes, particularly against mobile or concealed adversaries. Through initiatives like Project Shank, the Army has accelerated the development of domestic FPV platforms. Compared with traditional counter-drone systems such as the Coyote interceptor or laser-based solutions, the SkyRaider offers a compact, cost-effective, and easily deployable option for units operating in forward or contested zones. The strategic implications are significant. Weaponized FPV drones capable of air-to-air interception provide a versatile defensive layer against drone swarms and other unmanned threats. They enhance autonomy for tactical units, especially airborne or light infantry formations that lack conventional air defense assets. On a broader scale, this capability demonstrates the U.S. military's intent to maintain aerial dominance as near-peer competitors invest in autonomous technologies. The SkyRaider's modularity and reusability allow for scalable deployment across multiple combat units, supporting the Army's multi-domain operations doctrine. While the exact cost of the SkyRaider remains undisclosed, its commercial origins suggest affordability relative to specialized military interceptors. No formal procurement contracts have been announced following the Fort Rucker test, but DEVCOM's involvement and the operational success strongly indicate potential acquisition. Earlier this year, the Army funded FPV experimentation programs, and Project Shank's results could redirect future investment toward reusable interceptor designs like the SkyRaider. Ultimately, this successful interception marks a pivotal shift in U.S. drone capabilities. By integrating real-world combat insights and adapting to drone-centric battlefields, the Army is preparing tactical units with flexible, lethal, and scalable aerial assets. Project Shank is more than a demonstration, it's a clear signal of the evolving nature of aerial warfare and the Army's readiness to dominate in future drone battles.